Hello, welcome back everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Suno AI website for creating your own original song. So for that purpose we must have an account on Suno AI. So I will show you how you can create your account, and right after that how you can create your own original song. So let's get into it. First of all, you will go to Google and write Suno AI. Okay. After that, you have to create an account. So for that purpose, I will open www.suno.com. So I will just open this website and then I will create my account using my Google account. Okay. So for that purpose, I will click on this sign up button for creating my account on this website. Okay. So here I will select this Google account for signing up, or you can say creating account on this website. So it's just taking a few seconds. So here I will select my Google account just by clicking my account, and then I will click on this continue button in order to continue, and it will create our account on this website. So right after the creation of your account, you will get this kind of interface. Basically, it's a dashboard of your account. Here you can write your own lyrics, or you can also get your lyrics using ChatGPT. Let's try this one. I will show you how you can do this step by step. So I will write me an English hip hop song. Okay, so I'll just hit the right OK button and it will create me write me an English song. So then we will use this song. We will use few lines of these songs, so just to show you how it works. Okay, so here we will write it like hip hop. Song description is hip hop, and I will add lyrics here. So the lyrics are, here are we going. So we have written our lyrics. After that, I will just click on the create button and it will start creating a song for us. So yes, it has created a multiple version for us. So let's try one of them. Let's go with this one. So finally our song is ready. Let's check this.
Yeah, listen. Started with a dream in the bed, let's go. I came from the bottom, no stage, no lights. Writing in the dark, but I sparked my own fire. City on my back, every step was a fight. Turn pain and
Wow, that's very amazing. I really like it. I hope you also like the creation of through this AI. If you like the song, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also like the video and also leave your precious comment. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later in the next video. Bye bye.